Legal Templates: features, strengths, weaknesses. Legal Templates is a subscription-based service offering a library of legal documents tailored for individuals and small businesses. Key features include access to a wide range of templates spanning business formation, real estate planning, and employment agreements. The platform also provides an interview-style questionnaire to customize documents based on user input, aiming for a more personalized legal outcome. Who is Legal Templates for? It primarily serves DIY users, entrepreneurs starting a business, landlords managing properties, or individuals seeking basic estate planning documents without engaging a lawyer directly. The strengths of Legal Templates lie in its affordability and convenience. The subscription model offers significant cost savings compared to hiring an attorney for each individual document. The ease of access and user-friendly interface allows users to quickly generate legal paperwork. Furthermore, the platform offers some level of support, typically through FAQs and email, addressing common user queries. However, Legal Templates presents several weaknesses. The generated documents are templates, inherently generic, and may not be suitable for complex or nuanced legal situations. The platform cannot provide legal advice, and users are solely responsible for ensuring the document accurately reflects their specific needs and complies with applicable laws in their jurisdiction. The interview process, while helpful, does not substitute for the judgment of a qualified attorney who can assess the specific risks and opportunities in a particular case. The limited support options may leave users feeling unsupported when facing difficult questions or unique scenarios. Another concern is the potential for incorrect or outdated information within the templates themselves. Legal Templates relies on maintaining an updated library, but it's crucial for users to verify the accuracy and relevance of the information provided. Finally, relying solely on Legal Templates may create a false sense of security. Thinking a legal matter is adequately addressed when a professionally drafted and reviewed document is truly necessary can have significant adverse consequences. In conclusion, Legal Templates can be a useful tool for basic legal needs, offering affordability and convenience. However, it's crucial to recognize its limitations. Users should carefully evaluate the complexity of their situation and, when in doubt, consult with a qualified attorney to ensure their legal needs are adequately addressed. If you're comfortable handling simple legal matters yourself and understand that it's a template, not tailored legal advice, it can be a valuable resource. But complex issues demand professional legal expertise. Don't cut corners when your legal protection is on the line.